Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add sky to your picture on the Motionleap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should slide to the right side of the screen down below till you find the sky icon. Then tap on replace if you want to replace the sky on your picture, and you can choose from a bunch of categories such as essential, dusk, fantasy, haunted skies, dramatic dusk, glowing nights, rainbow sky, and so on. So click on the relevant one that you want to try out, and then you can adjust it by the help of the slide above it. If you go back, you can also use the eraser button in the right side and get rid of certain parts. You can also remake it by the help of the painter button, and you can adjust the horizon, ambient, opacity, and the feather by the help of the slide. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.